Hello everybody, it's Anne from Anne's Stampin' Up. Welcome to another card making day here in Simcoe, Ontario, where I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you live in Canada and you don't have your own demonstrator, you can shop with me. You can reach me at stampsandtea@gmail.com, or my demonstrator website is stampsandtea.stampinup.net. So welcome everybody. We're going to use a stamp kit. Now, it's not the paper pumpkin kit because paper pumpkin kit is not available worldwide. This is a monthly kit that Stampin' Up puts out, a new kit every month. They tend to run about 25 Canadian dollars, 30 Canadian dollars. Great value for your money. Great gifts to give to kids for birthdays and things like that, you know, because they include everything you need to make the cards. So I'm going to turn the camera down and we'll get started. So this is this month's kit. This is one of the kits for April 2024, and it's called Hooray for Honeycomb Kit. It comes just packed in a plain brown box, just like this, Stampin' Up. These boxes are great. You can use them like that. You can take them apart, turn them inside out and use them as a plain brown box to wrap a gift or to give a gift. They go in the mail great. They're a good size for the post office. So this is the kit. This was what was in the box. Okay. Now if you turn it over, I'll turn it the right way up, we can see that this is the instruction sheet for the kit. So we're going to cut it open, just carefully, like that, and take it apart. Get rid of that. So let's see what the instructions say. The instructions: Hooray for Honeycomb Kit. Now you can see that you've got 3 different cards here, so they are card bases. You open it up, you've got your full instructions for all the cards you can make, and all the parts you need are in the bags here. You've got some dimensionals, you've got some white twine to make a bow. This bag here, this is the magic bag. This is the honeycomb embellishments that you would put in the middle of your card. When you open your card, you get, let's have a look, we've got a strawberry, we've got a big bright yellow sun, and we've got a balloon, and I believe, what colour is that? Might be one of the new colours. Kind of looks like it might be Summer Splash. It's close to Summer Splash. It might be Pool Party. Let me see, does it tell me what colours they are? Stamping Up coordinating colours: Berry Burst, Blueberry Bushel, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Lemon Lime Twist, Lemon Lolly, Petal Pink, and Pool Party. So I'm thinking Pool Party. And this is everything you get in the kit, and it makes 9 cards with envelopes. It comes with your sentiments already stamped. You'll get your sentiments, I think, in English and French. You've got your card bases, 9 card bases, 9 envelopes, all your embellishments, everything you need to make 9 cards. 9 cards for $25 is not bad at all, because $25 is the cost of this kit. That's all it costs you, $25. So we're going to make one of these cards. I think we're going to make the center one, the one with the balloons on, with the balloon. So I'm just going to fold this over out of the way, turn this over and leave it on the table so I can see what I'm supposed to do. So we need, whoops, not that one. We need one of these cards, one of these card bases. We need an envelope to go with it, which I think is going to be this one with the balloons on. Put that out of the way. We'll put these out of the way. Oh, that's gorgeous. What a beautiful colour. That's lemon lolly with some fruit on. That's a lovely card. We need a little bit of white twine, which I'll take out of the bag. We've got some dimensionals. We've got the one balloon here that we're going to use in the card. There. And we need a sentiment. So you have congrats. You've got 4 different languages here. Does it tell me what the languages are? Oh. No, it doesn't. So I'm going to say we've got English, French, Spanish, and possibly German. Might be Dutch. Looks more Dutch. I think Dutch. Alright. So let's make this card. We'll just set the instructions up there. Let's stay. Yeah, it'll stay. We're going to take the card base and fold it in half. Now, I want it to be nice and straight. I'm going to give it a nice press with my tool there. Now I've got to make sure it goes the right way up. Okay. Oops, we don't need this one, I don't think. Oh, you even get glue dots in here. You get every single thing you need. So, we've got the card base. We're going to take the balloon. We're going to open up the card. Peel this off. And this is sticky. You see here and here, here and here. Alright, so this is my balloon. It's going to go this way up, so I'm going to put it fairly close, but not right up against the center fold of the card, the fold line. So I'm going to hold my card up like this, and I want to put this balloon right in the center so that it's going to go in between these 2 balloons, and it will look just like this. It will look just like this, and it's, and we're done. So there's no right, no wrong, nothing is exact, but you do have a little bow here. So that's going to be the bow that, you know, that ties your balloon. So you want to put this up close to, use my right hand here, I'm turning it upside down so I can see better. I'm going to put that balloon right up to about there, so that the bow is holding my balloon. Fingers off, and I'm going to close my card on it, just like that. Okay, now give it a good press, and what should happen is when you open the card, the balloon opens up. Okay, and you see you've got a bow here tied beneath the balloon. So that's the first step. The next step, we need to find the sentiment that says "Oh Happy Day." There, "Oh Happy Day." And you get lots of extras with these kits. You know, so that you can use different languages if you want to, or you could put different sayings on the cards. You don't have to make them exactly as they are in the instructions here, but it's a good starting point. So I've got an "Oh Happy Day" here, and I am going to put some dimensionals, just 2 or 3 dimensionals. The picture here shows me to put 4 dimensionals on the back, so let's do that. Okay, so we've got "Oh Happy Day" here, and we're just going to put it right in the center of the card. There. Now it tells me next to cut off about 12 inches of twine. So there it is. And it says make a little bow and leave your tassels, your threads hanging. So to make a bow, I'm going to make a rabbit ear here and a rabbit ear here, and I think they're too big. Rabbit ear here, and I'm just going to make a simple bow. Now if you wanted to, you could double your thread up and make it a double bow if you wanted to. There's my bow, and now I'm going to pull the threads down, the outside threads, because I don't want them too terribly long. And your bow's going to go on there like that. I think that's a thin bow, so I'm going to undo it, fold my thread in half, my 12 inches in half, and I'm going to make it a double bow. One rabbit ear, two rabbit ears, just like that. Over and through. You're going to poke this one through with your fingers, and you're going to be careful when you're pulling, because you don't want to lose your tails. Okay, that we're going to pull this back and even them up, and pull this back and even them up, and then I want to pull it up tight there. Now I'll pull this back through again, and because I doubled my thread, I'm pulling on this side, then pulling on that side, and that's keeping my loops together about the same size. There, there and there. I'm going to cut this in half, this bow, this loop. I'm going to snip the ends. Now they gave me glue dots here. I have glue dots. Let me see if I can pick that up. I'm going to pick it up with my pokey tool. Maybe I need to put it on a hard surface. There, got it. And I'm just going to put this right at the bottom of the balloon, and then peel the backing off. Oh, it came right off nicely. And just press my bow down right on top of there. And there's your first card made, and it just opens up just like that. Isn't that sweet? And of course you've got a beautiful envelope which matches it nicely to go with it. So there you have it. One beautiful card, one beautiful envelope from the Hooray for Honeycomb card kit. $25 for the card kit, 9 cards. So that was one really quick and simple video for today. Made one beautiful birthday card from the Hooray for Honeycomb kit, which is only available online. You have to go online to Stampin'Up and have a look and see what the online kit is. They bring one kit out, 1 or 2 kits every month, and they run, as I say, $25, $30 Canadian. Great value for your money, and they make beautiful cards. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next week. Bye.